Hello there, welcome to Tereteknik. We have this brand new model of BMW screen series. So this is the top quality screen that you can say, if I'm not wrong. So fits to all BMW models. Right now we are sitting in the BMW 5 series. It's a G30 from factory. The car already had a good screen, but the customer wants to upgrade the screen, so that's why we have replaced with a 12.3-inch screen. So this is the newer version of the 12-inch screen. You can see these are the more slimmer than before. Plus the bezels of the screen are much more like narrow from before. Then we have different menus, different types of navigations in the screen. For example, here we have navigation. You can pair this up with iGo, Waze, Google Maps, whatever you want. Then we have like this music player. Here is the music player. You can play any kind of songs, musics here. Then we go to mobile phone. This is the car original menu. From here you can adjust the car menu, so you can use this full screen as well. I will do it full screen. I don't like this half screen in this car. So here we have like different videos, so you can watch the full screen video like this. You can see the display quality, it's amazing. If we go back, we have this dashboard. Here it's saying query failed for its weather is not updated, otherwise it will show weather application here. If you go back, then we have some settings. Here we have different options you can adjust. Right now it's not paired. Here we will go more in the settings or in the app menu. Here we have the app menu. You can download pretty much any kind of application like settings, Play Store, Maps, Chrome. These are pre-installed applications. DOB-Z for Norway customers. You need to connect a DOB USB antenna for this. Then we have this Z-Link. This is my car link, my mobile phone that is connected here. You can see this is the split screen of Waze plus the podcast. Right now it's not playing, but here I have some other applications like phone, music, maps, messages. Then you can say Easy Park, Google Maps, OBD11. Like these are pre-installed apps on my iPhone that supports Apple CarPlay are available here. For example, here we will go for the home. This is the Google Maps. We have same like Waze, plus we have this iDrive control. All the iDrive control is working all over the screen, so wherever you press or you want to go, you can go with this. If we tap on the home menu, you can use like this as well. This is like phone. If we go back, we have these different options for CarPlay. This is the navigation. We have to select which navigation we want. For example, we go back, then we have like this is musics again, same music application. Then if we go back here, we can change. If we come on this side, so we can just check the camera, front camera. We can just change the some options, settings here. Plus we need to go back to the home menu. So this is the CarPlay, plus the car has a reverse camera as well that is working as it is. It will be full screen when I will change the setting menu. So that's the screen. If you want any kind of navigation or screen like this, you can contact us. This is the latest or top quality screen that is available right now in the market with Snapdragon processors. You can change the themes as well. It has the previous themes, all that you can say factory, like all the displays. For example, we have the ID7. If you want to use the ID7, this is the pretty much the latest models of G30. If we go back and we will do a restart to show you the ID7 menu. Sure. So you can just change the logos as well. You can put BMW or any kind of logo you like from so here you can see this is the ID7 menu. This one came in the G30 as original. Plus we have this the other menu as well. For example, if we go to the settings, my CarPlay is connecting right now. Here you can see all the applications that we have are available. If we go again to the settings, so here is the factory settings. We can change this theme again to like ID8. So here is the ID8 menu. We have to restart this. Here is the reboot. Sure. Then it will go to the ID8. There are different themes that are pre-installed in the car that you can use. We have to wait for a little while to shift this to the Android menu. So here you can see this is the ID8. So screen has pretty much all kind of menus, or you can say themes available in it. So you can just select the whatever theme you want, you like. So I like this one more, but if customer wants to be looks like a original one, so we can shift back to the ID7. You can say this is the ID8. So all themes, all menus are available, plus you can use all the applications that are installed here, and you can install some other applications as well. Plus this screen supports the original microphone as well, so your car microphone will work with this screen. So this screen has a plus function or plus feature that it supports the original microphone, you can say. So that's it for today. See you next time, another video. I will provide all the contact information in the description below. Thank you. Bye bye.